A surgeon in LA increases his conversion rate from Google Ads by 433%. What does this surgeon have in common with an Australian solar energy company that slashes its Facebook cost per lead by 88%? There are three things they have in common. First, they both had laser-focused traffic. Second, even with great traffic, their conversion rate was in the toilet. So how did two different companies in two different countries go from watching leads slip through their fingers to a triple-digit increase in conversions? The secret is the third thing they had in common: average landing pages, until we rewrote them. I'm Stephen Lewis, and my copywriting agency regularly delivers triple-digit conversion rate growth for our clients. And because I hate seeing expensive traffic from Google and Facebook wasted, I'm going to hand you a checklist. The checklist will plug leaks in the copywriting on your landing pages. You'll be able to see where your landing page isn't persuasive, the places where you're losing prospects. The checklist is yours free when you click the link, and do click the link, because paid traffic is too beautiful to waste. Your conversion rate is going to thank you.